introduce our group. My name is Darul Putri and my partner
Celia Aulia Margareta,
Nadia Cynthia Bella,
Dara Mini,
Putri Sarningsih, Citra Bunga Lestari,
Muhammad Ahmad Aditya Saputra.
On this occasion, Group 2 of us want to discuss the article we had written. The article we wrote was entitled The Effect of Price on Customer Purchasing Decision, Customer Purchase in Shopee E-commerce.
Advances in information and communication technology have led to a large increase in the number of Internet users globally, and nearly 63% of the total global population has access to the Internet. In Indonesia, the number of Internet users has reached 204.7 million people, or about 73.7% of the total population, based on Statista 2022. The increase in Internet usage has become a major driver in the growth of the e-commerce sector in Indonesia due to the need for practicality and speed that is increasingly becoming a priority for the public. The result of research, according to Prativi et al. 2019, described that price affects purchasing decision because if the price is a profit for product quality, this will increase customer purchasing decision, and vice versa will reduce customer purchasing decision. Research conducted by Rustandi and Satika 2021 also has results that have a positive effect because with the result, if the price is affordable, there is product quality at the right price, and there is a price match with the benefit received. The buyer can decide to buy. The result of the study, according to Pangstuti et al. 2023, also added the price affect purchasing decision because price can affect the position of business competition.
There is 3 points of problem formulation. The first one is, how does product price influence consumer purchasing decision on the Shopee e-commerce platform? And the second is, what factor influence purchasing decision besides price? And the last one is, are there other factors that also have a significant influence in the purchase decision-making process? Problem limitation. This study will use a simple regression analysis method to evaluate the relationship between product price and purchasing decision. The research respondents consisted of active Shopee users who have made product purchases on the platform. Limited to the scope of the area of Palangkaraya University, student majoring in management class of 2023. Data collection was carried out by distributing a questionnaire via Google Form to the student majoring in management class 2023.
The population in this study amounted to 329 people conduct on undergraduate study of the management study program, Faculty of Economy and Business, University of Palangkaraya, class of 2023. Data collection technique for this study was carried out sampling with purposive sampling technique. The purposive sampling technique is a sampling technique has certain configuration where the research determines the criteria for respondents who are customers who have Shopee based on Subiona 2013, and the technique used in determining this best sample on the sloping formula with a sample use of 181 respondents. From 2023 management study at Palangkaraya University. Data collection technique in the form of a questionnaire that is assigned is to use a Likert scale. Type of research used in this research is quantitative research. The object of this research is the effect of price on purchasing decision, or looking for the relation between the independent variable and the dependent variable. There are two variables used, namely price, X, and purchasing decision, Y. In analyzing the required data, the method used are validity test, reliability test, normality test, heterogeneity test, multicollinearity test, autocorrelation test, determination coefficient test, correlation coefficient test, simple linear regression test, partial test, and simultaneous test.
According to Eti Putranto, if the price is very high, users usually expect high quality, and their actual perception will be influenced by this expectation. Pricing is the most crucial and difficult of the elements in the retail marketing mix, and price is the only element in retail marketing that will bring profit and loss.
According to Kotler and Armstrong 2001, understanding purchasing decision is the stage in a decision-making process where consumer actually choose. In addition, decision-making is an individual activity that is directly related to obtaining and using the goods that have been provided. According to Kotler and Armstrong 2008, a purchase decision is a decision-making process about a purchase that included determining what to buy and what not. Kotler and Armstrong 2008.
The technique in collecting data in the study was carried out by sampling with purposive sampling technique. The type of research used in the research in quantitative research. The object of the research is the effect of price on purchasing decision, or looking for a relationship between the independent variable and the dependent variable. The variables used are price or X and purchasing decision or Y. The data analysis method in analyzing data is used validity test, reliability test, simple linear regression analysis, correlation coefficient analysis, determination coefficient analysis, and hypothesis testing.
Okay, next I will discuss result and discussion. Number 1, respondent characteristic. With the survey that has been distributed, respondents can be categorized based on gender, age, and social class. This grouping aims to better understand the characteristic of respondents as research subjects. Table 1, description of respondents by age. From the data, we can see that the age of 17 years old there are 5 people or 3%. The age of 18 years old there are 60 people or 30%. The age of 19 there are 80 people or 44%. The age of 20 there are 31 people or 17%. And the last with the age of 21 with the number of respondents 5 people or 3%. From the data in the following table, it can be seen that the largest age group of respondents is students with the age of 19 years, which reaches 44% of the total respondents. Meanwhile, the age group that have the less number of respondents are 17 and 21 years old, each with a percentage of 3%. Okay, table 2, description of respondents based on gender. From the table above, we see that if we count by gender, we see where the male gender is 58 people or 32%, and the female gender is 123 or 68%. Description of respondents by gender. The table above shows that based on gender, the majority of respondents are female with a percentage of 68%, while male respondents are only 32%. Okay, next, table 3, description of respondents by class. If we count by class, we can see for class A, there are 44 people or 24%. Class B, there are 32 people or 18%. Class C, there are 50 people or 28%. Class D, there are 30 people or 17%. And finally, Class E with 25 respondents or 14%. Description of respondents by class based on the data in the table above. The majority of respondents based on class are Class C with a percentage of 28%, followed by Class A with a percentage of 24%, Class B with a percentage of 18%, Class D with a percentage of 17%, and finally Class E with a percentage of 14%.
Moving on, next we'll see the description of the respondents' answer results. The description of the results of the respondent answer was analyzed for each equation carried by looking at the respondent's answer to the questionnaire distributed. This aims to find out how respondents respond to the question related to the variable assumed. In the table above, it can be concluded that percentage of the respondents who choose the strongly agreed option average 24.01%, followed by Those who chose agree by 39.23%, neutral by 31.49%, disagree by 4.92%, and strongly disagree by 0.35%. This proved that price comparison, price affordability, and price suitability make consumers prefer Shopee. However, respondents who answered the first disagree and strongly disagree proved that the cheaper the product, the less it affects consumer purchasing decision at Shopee. From the table above, it can be seen that the percentage of the respondents who choose the strongly agree option averaged 18%, followed by those who chose agree by 47%, neutral by 30%, disagree by 5%, and strongly disagree by 5%. This shows that in product purchasing decision, consumers tend to consider their habits in shopping and other factors. However, the average respondents' answer of disagree and strongly disagree indicate that the level of need is less urgent, and there is a lack of assessment of the price list by consumers.
Based on the validity test table, it can be seen that the R table is greater than 0.145, which means that R count is greater than R table and all indicators are said to be valid. Then, reliability testing is used as in the next table. The result of the reliability test carried out in the table above show that all variables in the study produce a crown-based alpha value is greater than 0.60. So, that the concept of variable is to measure each variable in this study can be continued.
The normality test is used to measure whether the X and Y variable follow a distribution that is close to normal. In the context of a good regression model, both variables should have a normal distribution, which is illustrated by the shape of straight line from the bottom of the left corner to the top the right corner. If the theta is normality distribution, then the line describing the actual data is to approach the diagonal line. The study used the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test to test the normality of the theta cutoff based on the data above. The result of the normality test using the one sample Kolmogorov-Smirnov show a significant value of the 0.55, which is greater than the significance level set at 0.05. So 0.55 is greater than 0.05, which can be called the residual value follow a normal distribution. This means that the normality expansion is made for the Risinger analysis performed. Heteroscedasticity test. If the significance value is greater than 0.05, it can be called that the simpleness of heteroscedasticity in the regression model does not occur, and if the significance value is less than 0.05, it means that there are simpleness indicating heteroscedasticity in this regression model. From the result of the data that has been made by the author, the result of the heteroscedasticity test show the result that the significance of the price is 0.868, which means is greater than 0.05 or 0.868 is greater than 0.05, which can be concluded that there are no simpleness of the heteroscedasticity in the regressional model on the price variable.
Next, multicollinearity test. The multicollinearity test is used to determine whether there is a very strong correlation between the independent variables in the regression model. In the context of this study, the regression model is said to be free from multicollinearity problems if the variance inflation factor VIF value is less than 10. Look at the table 10 multicollinearity test results. It can be seen that the tolerance value obtained is 1.000 is greater than 0.10 and the VIF value is 1.000 is less than 10.00.
So it can be concluded that there is no multicollinearity.
From the result of the autocorrelation test, it was found that the Durbin-Watson value was 2032, and this value must first be compared with the DU and the 4DU values in the Durbin-Watson tables in order to draw conclusion. Based on the table above, DU equal 1767 and 4DU equal 2232 and for N equal 181. Because the DW value is between DU and 4DU, which is between 1767 and 2232, it can be concluded that this regression model is free from autocorrelation.
The coefficient of determining test is useful for evaluating how well the model is able to explain variable in the dependent variable. Based on this data, it can be seen the coefficient of determination has a value of 0.538. This indicates that the price variable has an impact or influence of 3.8% on customer decision to buy product, and the remaining 46.2% is influenced by external factors not examined in the study.
From the result of the correlation coefficient test between the price variable and consumer purchasing decisions, the error count value is 0.733 with a significance of 0.001. This results state that there is a very significant relationship between the two variables, because the significance value of 0.001 is less than 0.05. With an error count value of 0.733, this relationship is included in the strong correlation category because it is in the range of 0.61 to 0.80.
According to the table above, is it known that the constant A is 5,835 and the purchase decision value B or regression coefficient is 0.851, so that the regression equation can be written below: y equal A plus bx and y equal 5,835 plus 0.800. First point, the constant is 5,835, meaning that the consistent value of the price variable is 5,830. The regression coefficient x is valued at 0.851, which means that a variation of increase in the price value makes the purchase decision value increase by 0.851. The regression coefficient is positive, so it can be stated that the direction of the influence of variable x and y is positive. So it can be concluded that price influence purchasing decision in Shopee e-commerce for management student at Palangkaraya University class of 2023.
Partial test or t-test serves to be able to determine the partial effect of price on purchasing decision, provided that if the count is less than or equal to t-table, then it means that this result has no partial effect, and vice versa. If the count is greater than t-table, then it means that this result has a partial significant effect. T-table from the calculation in the partial hypothesis test table or t-test above, the t-count is greater than t-value is obtained, namely, or 3,423 is greater than 1,973. This is reinforced by the p-value is less than or sig 0.05 or 0.001 is less than 0.05. Thus, this means that there is an effect of the price variable or x on the purchasing decision variable or y in Shopee e-commerce partially.
Simultaneous test is used with the aim of testing simultaneously whether the independent variable on the dependent variable using the f-test to check. Based on the calculation in the table of simultaneous hypothesis testing result f-test above, the value of f count is greater than f table is obtained, namely 208,420 is greater than 3.89 with a p-value is less than significant 0.05 or 0.001 is less than 0.05, which strengthens. This is proof that is a significant effect of the price variable or x on the purchasing decision variable or y simultaneously. Based on the result of simple regression analysis, the taken value of the price variable is 3,423 greater than the table of 1,973 with a significance of 0.001 is less than 0.05. This means that price or X has a significant influence on purchasing decision or Y.
This study aims to determine and understand the impact of product price on consumer purchasing decisions on the Shopee e-commerce platform. From the research result, it is concluded the product price have a significant positive effect on consumer purchasing decisions at Shopee. The result of statistical analysis show that the coefficient of determination or R-square value is 0.538, which indicate that product price only contribute about 53.8% to consumer purchasing decisions, while other factors also influence consumer purchasing decisions.
The government regulation related to Shopee e-commerce is Law Number 7 year 2014 on track. The purpose of the government issuing this regulation is to protect the interests of consumers, encourage healthy business competition, and regulate competition, and regulate aspects of taxation and transaction security in e-commerce activities. This regulation aims to regulate trade through electronic system. Overall, the study shows that product price have a significant positive effect on consumer purchasing decision on the Shopee e-commerce platform. This finding is in accordance with previous theories which show that product price play an important role in consumer purchasing decision. In addition, government policies or regulation related to Shopee e-commerce also have a relevant role to ensure that the products offered on the platform meet consumer expectation in terms of aesthetic value, cultural value, and economic value.
It can be concluded that the respondents of this study were mostly dominated by women at 68% and men only 32%. The majority of respondents are in the age range of 19 years with a percentage of 44%. The results of this study indicate that product price have a positive and significant influence on consumer purchasing decision on Shopee e-commerce, with a coefficient of determination of 53.8%, meaning that 53.8% of purchasing decisions are influenced by price. Based on the result of simple regression analysis, the taken value of the price variable is 3,423 greater than the table of 1,973 with a significance of 0.001 is less than 0.05. This means that price or X has a significant influence on purchasing decision or Y. The result of this study indicate that the price variable is not the only factor that influence purchasing decision, because there are still 46.2% of purchasing decisions that are influenced by factors other than price. For example, product quality, service, and trust in the seller.
The e-commerce platform Shopee is recommended to increase attention to product pricing strategies. By better understanding the impact of price on customer purchasing decision, Shopee can design more attractive and competitive pricing strategy to increase competition and customer satisfaction. In addition, company can analyze product price to understand how price affect their position in business, so as to attract more customers. Researchers are expected to conduct more in-depth research on other factors that influence customer purchasing decision apart from price. Although price plays an important role in purchasing decision, there are other factors that also influence, such as product quality, promotion, and brand image. By delving deeper into this aspect, it can provide deeper picture of customer behavior in shopping on e-commerce platforms such as Shopee.